Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video on comf5. Some of you have been asking me, why am I using comf5? You've never heard of comf5. What is comf5? So let me just go over it. comf5 is one of those kind of like staple programs that I've been using. I practically use it every single day. And it does a bunch of things. It's not just like Aweber or Constant Contact or iConnect or MailChimp or GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar, Ustream, or any of the, it's all of those actually. It's kind of like a combination of everything I just said. For mail purposes, if I just want to send out a single email or send one video email to somebody to say, hi, how you doing? A family member, a relative, a friend across the country or across the street, I could send out video emails by clicking mailf5. If I wanted to host all my videos online but not have to worry about somebody putting advertisements on top of them or worrying about my competition being the very next video that shows up after my video, and I want full ownership of those videos and have the ability to embed things onto those videos like video commerce, or if they hit the pause button to have a buy it now button pop up, all those kind of video commerce little widgets and stuff, that's in the mediaf5. If I wanted to do marketing like Aweber's or as Constant Contact by setting up a landing page that has an email capture form, I want to be able to send bulk emails out or even bulk video emails out, that's the marketingf5. If I wanted to have a business template that looks just like my website, so when I send out a video email, it looks just like my website going to their email account, or maybe it's a holiday greeting card, or maybe it's some kind of seasonal thing that I want to send out to make it look totally different, or just be a basic newsletter. That kind of stuff is in template F5. If I wanted to do a live broadcast where I showed people a product or captured, maybe I did a seminar somewhere and I wanted to share it with people that couldn't physically be there, I could do that by live F5. I could also share my screen like a go-to webinar kind of event where they actually see my screen. That is live F5. And if I have any questions, they have the quick start and the support features here, as well of, since I'm a reseller, they do have an affiliate program that tracks any commissions that I made by showing people this product or by people using this product as a result of getting a video email from me or something like that. So let me show you what mailf5 actually looks like. I click on that and you'll see it looks just like your basic email program. This is all cloud computing, so this actually exists online. If I wanted to check the various email accounts that I have, they're all POP3 or IMAP capable, so I have them all in here like this. If I wanted to send out a video email, I just click new. I choose from which account I wanted to send out from, and I'll just send the email to myself, test, and I'll make this a video email. Now this could have been just text, so this could be just, whoops, I can't type and talk, just text. Or let me show you a template, or this could be actually a template by setting the template here and make it look kind of like my blog if I wanted to, and then I could still add text down here, whatever I wanted to. These links are all active, so when someone receives this email, if they wanted to learn more about me, they click Who is Ray or specials or links or whatever. But if I wanted to add a video in here, all I need to do is click on this location and say Add Media. Now my video camera will pop up on my screen after I tell it it's okay to do so, and then there I am right there, so I can go ahead and now do a video email. So let me hit record. And this is an example of a video email. When I'm done saying what I need to say or showing a product or whatever I wanted to show, here's a phone, whatever, I just hit stop and then add video. And then that goes into my actual video, into my email, and then I can just send it to somebody. So I'm going to hit send because it's going to me. And then you'll see it pop up down here because I run a program that tells me when I have a new email account or email message. So that's how the sending an individual email looks, and there it is right there. So let's click on that and I'll show you what it looks like as it loads up. Now this is to my Gmail account, and you'll see here it will say that this message was received from kday69 at Gmail. So it was delivered as if it came from Gmail, and it's to me, and this is the way it looks. So, you know, all these links, like I said, if they wanted to learn more about Ray, they click there and it goes directly to my blog. So it's really powerful marketing and just a really cool way to communicate like that. So let's go back into the program comf5, and now to show you mediaf5. This is where I house all my videos. Now there's many different alternatives to video hosting. You have YouTube, you have Vimeo, you have Amazon S3, and several different online systems allow you to have hosting, which is all good. I mean, I do have other hosting platforms. I do use Amazon S3, and I have other ways of hosting videos. But the thing I like about this is that these are all in one place for me. So if I wanted to show you, for example, here's my internet command system. Here's some videos that reside on there. And it just doesn't have to be videos. It could be images and that kind of stuff. So if you build websites, you know how to do link to images that reside on a server. But what I like about this is if I wanted to show you this video, or let me say that again, if I wanted to put this video online, what I could do is click edit onto this video, and it gives me several different control options here. I could say, okay, share this video, which will pop up a share feature where people will be able to put this on Facebook and let it go viral, or hope that it goes viral. I could do a password protection so people can't view this video unless they have a password. I can incorporate a buy now button. You know, if I add these things, let me just show you what they kind of look like. Buy now, and then I want the buy now button to come in when I hit pause on the video. So when they hit pause, this is what they're going to see, buy now. And nobody else has this technology, by the way. So it's really cool. Hopefully, if you're an internet marketer already, you kind of can see why I'm using this feature and why I use comf5. And I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tease here, because I'm not going to go into all the stuff you can do. But if I wanted to publish this, here's my controls here. If I wanted to autoplay, and I want it to be without the bottom control bars, those are all options in here. I can control the size of the video that I want it to be. So you can control all that. It gives me the embed code. And this embed code, you'll look, it's a little bit longer than your average embed codes, but it's done like that because it incorporates every possible player that's out there. So you're getting a cross-platform of compatibility, or cross-platform compatibility, yeah, I said it right, when you use this kind of embed code. Or you can do a direct URL link to it. And you could change the way the skins look. For those that don't know, like a default player, this is the kind of gray, gradient, gray and white kind of player. But if I wanted to change that around, I can change it to something that's red, and it allows you to have that variation built into this program as well. And that's all within this mediaf5. And you could record audio directly to a file. You could record video directly to this location as well. So it's pretty cool what it does. And if you upload a file that's not optimized for the internet, it will do that automatically for you. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find a folder. Let me pick, let me see if I have a video file in here that I can just show you. Yeah, what's this one? Now this is a WMV file, which is an old version of Windows, and I'm going to choose it to be by default optimized. So this video, when it uploads, will be uploaded in the correct format for websites, which is big because a lot of people think that they could just upload a video and it will play on a website, and they don't realize that they have to have the right codecs, whether video and audio codecs, so it will play right. Well, comf5 does that automatically for you, which is a real big cool feature. Actually saves you a lot of time. So this will upload, and before it becomes available for me to see, it has to convert itself, which is cool. So it's completed here. It says all files have been uploaded. If any files need to be converted, you will be notified by email when the conversion is completed or finished. So hit OK to that, and let's see where it put it. I have to sort this by date. Whoops, sort the other way. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Well, it hasn't been converted yet. So as soon as it gets converted and the conversion process done, I will get an email saying it's ready for me to publish, which is really cool stuff. Let's give it one more look and see if I can find it. I may not have even have sent it to the right folder, but anyway, you get the point. Really cool technology. But let me show you MarketingF5 now, which is just one click away. I get into my complete back end of marketing here. Now what this allows me to do is track every campaign I have out there right now, and it allows me to create an unlimited amount of contact lists. So these are just some of my contact lists that I have with various numbers of people that join different things. And if I wanted to create a new contact list, it couldn't be any easier than just saying, give it a name of, I don't know, test list for video review. The owner is just going to be me. That's my email address. That's what I want them to reply to. I want to capture, this is the information, let's say their phone number, this kind of stuff, and then hit save. Now I just created a contact list, and it's going to be under here, test list for video review. See, I have 0 people in it right now. Now I need a form to match that. Unless I wanted to have one of these other forms that I have go to that list, which wouldn't make too much sense. So I'm just going to create a website form, and I'm going to just say the same thing here. I'm going to give it the same exact name. I'm going to say it's a video list for review form. Do I want them to use double opt-in? I'm going to say no. Double opt-in, it makes you confirm your email address before the content is delivered. And I'm not going to even send a thank you. This is just going to be a down and dirty, give me your email address kind of thing. I'm not going to even use capture. And I'm going to say it's only for HTML. And anybody who signs up utilizing this form that I'm creating, I want to put them in the test list for video review. That means they're going to be populated into that same list I just created. And I want to include their phone number. Let's just say I want their phone number and email address. That's all I want from them. It could have been name, it could have been last name, it could have been shirt size, it could have been political affiliation, whatever you can think of, you could add to that. But I'm just keeping it real simple right now. Now I have the choice of a thank you page where I could say, thank them that they signed up. This is all a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get kind of editor. So I could drag, drop. I could change this around. Just put thank you, test person, whatever I want. I could put videos in here, so if I wanted to add a video that actually thanks them for taking the time to fill out the form, definitely can do that. Would probably increase my loyalty on my list. Might not be a bad idea to do. And then just hit next, and it gives you this code after you do the error page in case there was an error. Maybe they already were in your system. It just prompts them with a different assortment of errors. Maybe they put a bogus email address that it knew was a bad email address, that kind of stuff. And then there's your code right there. So all this nasty HTML that at one time you needed to know, you don't need to know anymore. You just highlight it, you copy it, and then you can put that into any type of website that you may have, any kind of internet asset. So we're just going to go to my raybryant.com site. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you how I can put that code in action now. Okay, so we're logged into my blog right now, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to do a quick just blog post to show you how easy this is. So add new. Well, actually, I'll just add it to this one, why I chose comf5, because maybe I'll make a blog article off this video that I'm doing anyhow. So why I chose comf5, blah, 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 and let me just add that code. So I switch to HTML, I come in here and I paste that code in there, and there it is right there. So then I hit, preview, and now anytime someone puts their information into this here, so let's go 555, 555, 5551, and do kday69@gmail.com. Hit subscribe. It gives the confirmation, thank you, and I just got notice that someone joined my contact list called Test List Video Review. See how simple that is? So you can see why I chose comf5. It has so many cool features built into it, and if you add up the features, the price of the features, if you were going to shop them individually from just retail companies that are out there, Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, whatever it is, or the Ustreams, find out how much all that stuff costs. I'm not talking about the free stuff. This is not free stuff. This is professional grade. You own it. It's completely your property. You could advertise on it if you want. You don't have to worry about competition being the very next video that they see. This is a way to personally brand yourself, to have exclusivity to what you're doing online. So if you add up those other professional grade products that are out there right now, if you go to Ustream, look at what it costs to have an advertisement-free Ustream account. It's about $300 a month. Look what it costs to have a GoToWebinar account. It's about $100 a month. Go to, the Constant Contacts, Aweber, iContact, all that stuff. So go ahead and add all that stuff up, and you will see what an incredible value comf5 is. That's why I use comf5. So I just wanted to share that with you and put a video out there so I can, I can actually automate my response to when people ask, hey, why are you using comf5 again? What does comf5 have that the other guys don't? Now I finally made a video that explains some of the reasons why. And the next video we're going to go over the Live F5. They've done some really cool stuff with that, remote desktop sharing, the ability to compete directly with a GoToWebinar kind of company, and that's all included in the price as well. So this is just more reasons why this is such a great deal and why I use it. So thanks for your time, guys. Look forward to working with you, and if I can answer any of your questions, you know how to get in touch with me. Have a great day.